Learn how to register offline your copy of FileZilla Pro. If you're behind a corporate firewall that doesn't allow FileZilla Pro to register, or you need to register your copy without internet access, you might need to register offline. Launch FileZilla Pro. If you didn't register your copy at installation time, choose Check for Updates option to start the registration. Switch to Offline Registration. To register your copy of FileZilla Pro, you need the registration key or your purchase details. Enter your registration key. Press OK to submit the registration request. The registration request window pops up. You can copy it to the clipboard or save it to a file. Now visit FileZilla Pro registration website. Either paste the registration request, or if you saved it in a file, click Browse to load the file. Accept FileZilla Pro terms and conditions. Submit the registration request. A confirmation code is created. Either copy it to the clipboard or save it to a file. Back to FileZilla Pro. Enter the registration confirmation code in the registration confirmation window, or click Load from File to load the file. Click OK to register your copy. You learned how to register offline FileZilla Pro. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.